Need to check your CPU activity, then in this video guys I'm showing you the app Smart Clean Pro that you can quickly get from your app store or your Play Store. Just install the application and allow it to do its checks for you. Now once you're inside the application guys, you can simply go ahead and click on tools at the bottom there and click on your device status. This is going to do a quick scan of your device and it's going to show you a whole lot of stuff including your CPU activity. So it's going to show you your CPU model, your CPU cores, your CPU frequency, the use, and even idle. So if you're looking to check your CPU activity, this is one of the coolest tools that you can use. And it gives you a whole lot more, as you can see. This is just the tip of the iceberg what this tool can do. So check it out guys. Go to your App Store, Play Store and check out Smart Clean Pro. I'm using this app. One of the things I just want to be transparent and say to you, if you're going to use the free version of this, I'm telling you, you will see a lot of ads there. What if this doesn't bother you? Like for me, it doesn't bother me. I open the app from time to time, and so to skip around few ads doesn't really do me anything. It's not so annoying, right? But you get the general idea, right? So if this is something that is not going to annoy you too much, then check out this app. It's really useful. But if it does and you have some cash, you can always upgrade and get the paid version of it. But this is really cool. Check out the app. It can do so much. It can help you to manage your phone, your storage, clean your phone, whatever it is that you need to do with your phone. This application has it all. So check it out guys, Smart Clean Pro. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.